In the world of culinary wonders, one humble ingredient often takes center stage, turning simplicity into sheer delight. Welcome to the fascinating world of the potato, an unsung hero in the kitchen. Our story begins in the Andes Mountains of South America, where the potato has been cultivated for over 7,000 years. Introduced to Europe by Spanish explorers in the late 16th century, the potato faced initial skepticism, but quickly found its way into European kitchens. What sets the potato apart is its extraordinary culinary versatility. It can be prepared in countless ways, from creamy mashed potatoes to crispy French fries. Roasted, fried, boiled, or turned into delectable soups, the potato is a culinary canvas for an array of flavors and seasonings. Beyond its taste and versatility, the potato offers a treasure trove of nutritional benefits. Packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber, it provides essential nutrients that make it a valuable component of a balanced diet. Potatoes have also played a vital role in the culinary traditions of various cultures. In Ireland, for example, potatoes became a dietary staple, leading to a heavy reliance on the crop and impacting the nation's history. In the modern era, potatoes remain a beloved and accessible food. They continue to inspire innovative culinary techniques. From gourmet delights to fast food favorites, the potato has adapted to the evolving tastes of the world. Potatoes are not just a culinary delight, but also a sustainable crop. They require less water than many other staple foods and are grown in diverse climates worldwide, contributing to global food security. So, the next time you savor your favorite potato dish, remember the rich history, culinary diversity, and global impact of this incredible tuber. The potato, truly an unsung hero in the kitchen.